Hello students, this is Firdaus. As you all know that I am your math teacher. So today I am going to teach you class 7 mathematics. Okay, in our previous sessions we have learned about the integers and we have performed different operation on an integer. So today I am going to start your second chapter, that is fractions. So without any further ado, let's start our class. So here you have a fractions, chapter second you have the fraction. So fraction, according to definition, the number of the form a by b where a and b are the natural numbers are known as a fractions. See, a and b के फॉर्म में आपका जब भी कोई नंबर मिलेगा and that number are what, that number are you have, that is natural number. And as you all know that what is natural number, all counting number are said to be a natural number, that is starting from 1 2 3 4 5 and continuously up to the infinity. Okay, so a natural number is all counting numbers starting from 1 and goes to infinite. So this is your fraction, the definition of fraction. So the number which is represent in the form of a by b and where a and b are the natural numbers are known as a fractions. So here in a by b, what is a there? What is a here? So a is a numerator and b is denominator. A is numerator and b is your denominator. So before starting our chapters, we must know about the types of a fractions. So here you have those few types here given, that is decimal fractions. So decimal fractions is what? The fractions whose denominator is a multiple of 10. उसका denominator क्या होगा? Multiple of 10. Example, that is 2 by 10. Okay, 5, 25 by 100, 16 by 1000. See here, you can see that the denominator, at the denominator the multiple of 10. So these are said to be a decimal fraction. So decimal fraction क्या होता है बच्चों? जिसके denominator में 10 का multiple होगा, that is your what? That is your decimal fractions. So now next type of question fraction you have, that is vulgar fractions. So vulgar fraction is what? When at the denominator there is not a multiple of 10. 10 का multiple नहीं होगा तो वो क्या कहलाएगा? आपका vulgar fraction कहलाएगा. वो आपका vulgar fraction कहलाएगा. यानी कि डिनोमिनेटर में आपका 10 का मल्टीपल नहीं होना चाहिए, बस सिंपल. ओके, दैट इज योर वल्गर फ्रैक्शन. और वल्गर फ्रैक्शन के अंदर फिर आ गया आपका प्रॉपर, इम्प्रॉपर, मिक्स्ड, इसके अंदर आपका आ जाएगा. तो प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन क्या होता है? व्हेन द फ्रैक्शन हुज न्यूमरेटर इज लेस देन द डिनोमिनेटर. जिसका न्यूमरेटर यानी ऊपर वाला क्या होगा? छोटा होगा. किससे? नीचे वाले से. एग्जाम्पल 2 by 5, 3 by 9, 3 by 8, 1 by 3, okay, 14 by 23. So you can easily see in here that we have some fractions and the numerator of each fraction is less than the denominator. That's why this fraction is known as a proper fraction. And what is the definition? The fraction whose numerator is less then the denominator is known as a proper fraction. And next you have an improper fraction. Improper fraction, that is the numerator is greater. numerator क्या होगा? आपका बड़ा होगा. numerator is greater and equal to the denominator. numerator क्या होगा? आपका numerator क्या होगा? denominator से बड़ा होगा और equal होगा. सपोज करो 15 by 3, 15 by 4, 19 by 2, okay, 11 by 5 and 13 by 13. देखो यहाँ पे दोनों हो सकता है या फिर आपका बड़ा हो सकता है. तो ये आपका आएगा इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन. और इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन से ही आपका मिक्स्ड निकलता है. सपोज आई एम टेकिंग हियर 15 by 4. So this is your dividend and this is your divisor. When you divide 15 by 4, then you will get 4 3 are 12. That is 3. The remainder you got 3. So put the 3 at the numerator and the fractional parts and the divisor at the denominator. So this is your 3 whole 3 by 4. So this is your mixed fraction. So what is the definition of a mixed fraction here? According to mixed fraction, the fraction which contains a whole number part and a fractional part. जिस फ्रैक्शन का होल नंबर पार्ट होगा और फ्रैक्शनल पार्ट होगा उसको बोला जाएगा आपको क्या? मिक्स्ड फ्रैक्शन बोला जाएगा. तो 3 होल 3/4, ओके। यहां भी आप कर सकते हो, 2 9 जा 18, 1/2, है ना, 5 2 जा 10, 1/5 एक्सेट्रा। तो इसी से मैंने आपको बना के दिखाया। तो ये आपका फ्रैक्शन का इंट्रोडक्शन था। अब कुछ और मुझे इस चैप्टर में फर्स्ट जब एक्सरसाइज हम सॉल्व करने से पहले कुछ और चीज़ें, सम मोर थिंग वी हैव टू लर्न इन दिस चैप्टर बिफोर सॉल्विंग द एक्सरसाइज 2A. So let's know it. So now we have that is equivalent fractions. So what is the mean of equivalent fraction? So when you multiply on a given fraction by a numerator and denominator by a same non-zero number, सेम नॉन जीरो नंबर से जब मल्टीप्लाई करते हो न्यूमरेटर से डिनोमिनेटर से, उस समय जो आपका ऑब्टेन्ड होता है दैट फ्रैक्शन इज नॉन एज अ इक्विवेलेंट ऑफ दिस. सी हियर आई एम टेकिंग 3/4 व्हेन यू मल्टीप्लाई 3 2 जा 6 and so you have to multiply denominator with a same number, that is 2, same non-zero number. I said that when you multiply or divide by a numerator or denominator by a same non-zero number, then the obtained fraction is a equivalent of a given fraction. इसका equivalent होगा ये 3 2 जा 6 and 4 2 जा 8. So 6/8 is the equivalent of 3/4 and this 3 3 जा 9 and 4 3 ja 12. Here also see 3 into 4 12 and 4 into 4 that is 16. तो ये आपका ये सब क्या है, ये 6/8 9/12 12/16 are the equivalent fractions of 3/4. Okay, understand? So next you have that is a like fraction. So what is the meaning of like fraction here? I am giving you example. So here you have given 2/15 and 4/15, okay, 1/15 11/15 ये. So according to definition, like fractions is what? The group of fractions. I write here the group of fractions. See here you have 4 fractions are here. So the group of fraction is said to be a like fraction if all the denominator of a given fractions are same. जितना भी डिनोमिनेटर होगा वो क्या होगा, इक्वल होगा. Then this group of fractions are said to be a like fraction. तब ये क्या कहलाएगा बच्चों, like fraction कहलाएगा. Next opposite है इसका unlike fraction. Same उल्टा, when a group of fraction have a different denominator, see here you can easily see that is 5 15 9 3, all the denominator are different. So these group of fractions are said to be a unlike fraction. Okay, so this is the introductory part of a fractions are finished. So now we go through our exercise and I am going to solve exercise first 2A. Okay, the first question in exercise 2A of R.S. Agarwal class 7 mathematics book, you have given first question that is compare the following. कंपेयर करना है आपको. So here you have given one number that is 5/8 and 7/12. So you have to compare this. So whenever you have given two fractions, जब आपको सिर्फ और सिर्फ कितना फ्रैक्शन दिया रहेगा, 2 फ्रैक्शन दिया रहेगा, then how can you compare? So first multiply this and this 5 and 12 and write it from the left side. जहाँ का है लेफ्ट साइड में लिखना है आपको. 5 12 जा 5 12 जा that is what 60. कितना है आपका 60 आया. Now next multiply 8 into 7 that is 56. So see which is greater, 60 or 56? Obviously 60 is greater and the side of 60 is 5/8. So here 5/8 is greater and 7/12 is less. तो इस तरह से इसको मल्टीप्लाई करके फर्स्ट के न्यूमरेटर को सेकंड के डिनोमिनेटर से मल्टीप्लाई करके इधर लिखना है, फिर इसको मल्टीप्लाई करके इसको मल्टीप्लाई इधर लिखना है, तब आप कंपेयर कर सकते हो इजीली। ठीक है, ओके। सो इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 of 2 and 3 you can solve similarly. So next we have in question number 2 you have to arrange in ascending order. You have to arrange in ascending order. And what is the meaning of ascending order? In ascending order you have to arrange a given group of numbers in ascending, and first you have to write the which is the smallest among them all and write larger and largest. So छोटे से बड़ा लिखना है आपको, ठीक है। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन आई एम टेकिंग हियर, सी क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 you have 3/4, 5/6, 7/9 and 11/12. So here you can easily see that all the denominator are different. So these group of fraction are what? Unlike fraction. क्या होगा ये? Unlike fraction होगा। और आप पहले से ही जानते हो अगर आपका डिनोमिनेटर सेम होता है तो क्या होता है? लाइक फ्रैक्शन होता है। ये आपका अनलाइक है, ये आपका अनलाइक है, और आपको लाइक फ्रैक्शन बना लेना है इसको। अगर आपका डिनोमिनेटर सेम होगा तो क्या करना है आपको? क्या देखना है? न्यूमरेटर देखना है। जिसका न्यूमरेटर बड़ा वो बड़ा, जिसका छोटा वो छोटा। तो फर्स्ट क्या करते हैं, स्टेप फर्स्ट में आपको एलसीएम, टेक द एलसीएम ऑफ 4, 6, 9 and 12. So let's find the LCM of 4, 6, 9 and 12. 2 2 जा 4, 2 3 जा 6, 9 2 6 जा 12, 2 1 जा 2, 3 9 2 3 जा 6, and here 1 3 1 जा 3, 3 3 जा 9, 3 1 जा 3. So you have the LCM. 3 3 जा 9, 9 2 जा 18, 18 2 जा 36. So 36 is your LCM. LCM कितना है बच्चों आपका? 36. So now let's convert all the fractions into a equivalent whose denominator is 36. whose denominator is 36. आपको हर एक को इसे इक्विवेलेंट में कन्वर्ट करना है जिसका हर डिनोमिनेटर क्या होगा? 36 होगा। तो हियर यू हैव अ डिनोमिनेटर 4, दैट मीन्स यू हैव टू चेंज 4 into 36, दैट मीन्स यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई विथ अ 9. So here you have to multiply with a 9, then the numerator we have to also multiply with a numerator also 9. So 9 3 जा 27 and 9 4 जा 36. जहाँ पे आप जिसे आप डिनोमिनेटर से जिस नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे आप उसको भी आपको न्यूमरेटर को भी उसी नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा। So next you have that is 5/6. So right here 5/6. So 6 into 6 36. So 30/36. Next 7/9. So 9 4 जा 36, 7 4 जा 28, 28/36. So next you have 11/12, that is 11, 12 into 3, 36 to 3. So 33/36. So these are your the equivalents of a required rational. See, all the denominators of a obtained equivalents are same. That means all the denominators are same. Then you have to look at the numerator. So first, whose numerator is less? See, 27. So first you have according to ascending 27/36. Next you have that is 28, 28/36. Next you have 30/36. Next you have that is 33/36. So now write the equivalents. 27 of 36 comes from 3/4. Now 28/36 come from 7/9, and 30/36 come from 5/6, and 33/36 come from 11/12. So this is your required ascending order of a given fractions. Okay, so this is how you can arrange the given fractions in ascending order, and the same you have to perform the descending order also, but you have to only आपको क्या करना है? आपको बैकवर्ड लिखना है। सबसे पहले बड़ा छोटा छोटा फिर छोटा लिखना है। इस तरह से आप इसको परफॉर्म कर सकते हैं असेंडिंग और डिसेंडिंग का। सो आई थिंक क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 and question number 1 you all understand how to solve, and question number 3 you have to arrange in descending also, same part. Now I am going to solve question number 4. So question number 4, in question number 4 you have given Renu got 2/7 part of an apple while Sonal got 4/5 part of it. Who got the larger part and by how much? So here you have to do what? Comparison, कंपेरिजन करना है दो फ्रैक्शन में, बिकॉज दो फ्रैक्शन यहाँ पे आपको गिवन है, यहाँ पे आपको दो फ्रैक्शन गिवन है, देखो 2/7 और 4/5, तो यहाँ पे आप इजीली उसको कर सकते हो, ठीक है, मैंने आप लोगों को पहले सिखाया। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन आई एम गोइंग टू सॉल्व, दैट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 7। दिस इज बेस्ड ऑन द एडिशन एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन ऑफ ए फ्रैक्शंस। So in question number 5, you have to find the sum of a given fractions. So here you have first take the LCM of 12, 16 and 24 at the rough page, okay, 12, 16 and 24 first. 2 6 ja, 2 8 ja, 2 12 ja, next 2 3 ja, 8, 2 4 ja, sorry 2 6 ja, 3 1 ja, 8, 3 2 ja, 2 4 ja, 2 1 ja. So 4 2 ja 8, 8 3 ja 12, 12 2 ja 24, 24 2 ja 48. So you have got a LCM, that is 48. Now you have to write a large by and put the at denominator 48. Now compare first, second and third. So first take a first fraction. So first fraction you have there 7/12. So you have to divide the denominator, this LCM you obtained. So let's divide 48 by 12. So you will get 4. 12 4 ja 48. So your answer is 4. So when we divide 48 by 12, that is 12 4 ja 48. So you will get the answer 4. Then multiply this 4 by the numerator, that is 7 4 ja 28 plus. Again divide, same procedure you have to perform by the with the second fractions. So divide 48 by 16, you will get 3 and multiply it from the numerator, that is 33 plus 24 2 ja 48, 2, you will get the answer 2. So multiply it from numerator, that is 2 9 ja 18. Now let's add 8 plus 3 11, 11 plus 8 19, 1, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 2 7/48 is your required answer. So इस तरह से आप एडिशन परफॉर्म कर सकते हो. So next question we'll continue, going to solve in our next session. So okay class, thank you.